Look at that. Wow, wow. Whoa, man. That's not yours.
That's mine.
Man. What's up, guys? We're gonna open these toys right now. This brand is Tesla Construction Toys. Works with other brand model design and development in Canada and Germany. I think build everything you see at once. Let's start open. Okay. Coffee. I don't understand this. Okay. Okay. Coffee, stop. Stop mixing the... No. Is this the one? Papa?
Which one? Yeah, that's right.
No, I think I look at further. What? What? Is this right, Papa?
Mm.
Okay. Now.
Papa, help me! Help me, Papa!
Here. So let me build.
Papa, help me to build my airplane!
Oh, okay. What about you?
Papa, I have to do like this, Papa!
Mm,
I have to do like that.
that's right.
Where's your walkie-talkie? Kuya, where's my mine? This? Papa, this?
Yes.
You need two? Papa, you need two of that?
Mm-mm.
You need this?
Yes.
We need this? Ah, we need
Papa,
this?
wait, is it like this?
Papa, do you need this? Papa, do you need this?
It's the other way around. No.
Papa, do you need this?
God.
Papa, do you need this or no?
No,
Papa,
Mm.
do you need this? Papa, do you need this?
Yes.
Mama, Papa, I don't know. Papa, I don't know how to do it.
I will help you. Sophie. Mm.
Ooh, yucky. Papa, I have to put the wheels now.
Not yet.
What
When
should
it says to put the wheels.
huh?
When it says to put the wheels.
Papa, what should I put next? Kuya, what should I put next? Put the wheel. How should I put the wheel?
Sophie, don't put it yet. Sophie.
Papa, should I put this next? Kuya, what's this for? What's
I
this?
don't know, Sophie. Why?
Shoe cutting.
Okay. Now where are the
This part. We need this parts.
Sophie? Now I do this. 3 of this. One of Okay. Should stack this together.
Can you help me?
Wait.
I'm going out.
Almost done.
I'm almost. And now after this one, we'll put the stickers.
Here's my airplane.
And I'm almost done. Or actually, I'm done after this step.
Here's my airplane. Papa, look like an airplane.
It is.
The thing is, it's falling and flying. Yeah. Falling back.
Are you done? Are you done?
Brush.
Papa! Kuya! Papa, I am done.
No,
Not
you're
yet.
not done yet. We're gonna
Papa, can you put the stickers? Papa, can you put the stickers?
Okay.
Socky.
Papa, put the stickers and I'll put the stickers now.
Oh, it keeps on removing.
Okay.
No need to put the man.
That's not walkie-talkie, that's machine gun. For them cry. You broke your head.
Is it done?
Now yes.
John.
You finish everything with the Legos?
It's done, guys! The Lego airplane is done! So here's our airplane from this box. We assembled it, and I hope you enjoy watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And see you in the next video. Let's play!
Okay, fly the airplane.